Hello everyone, this is Preksha Jain, your certified relationship and intimacy coach. Today I'm going to dive into a topic that's a bit like guilty pleasure, how to make her want you. Now, let me tell you one thing very clearly. I haven't switched sides to becoming a cheesy movie villain. I'm going to talk about creating genuine, real connections, and I promise to sprinkle in my usual dose of humor with the real talk. But before we move further, I have got a little something for you. I have put together a free guide on healthy relationships. It's like a treasure map for navigating the seas of love and partnership. Make sure to check it out. It's packed with real insights and tips that I have learned from my own journey and from coaching others. Now let's dive in. When I think about attraction, it's never about looks or smooth talking. I always say it's about finding your groove in a dance. It's about being so genuinely, authentically you that it almost feels like a breath of fresh air. And who can resist that? Let's talk about self improvement and confidence. I've always believed that it's like being the main character in your own life story. You are not trying to outshine others, you are just trying to be the best you. And trust me, that kind of a confidence, it's like magnet. Emotional intelligence. Now, that's a term that I throw around a lot. It's about being the person who not only cracks jokes, but also knows when to put an arm around someone and just listen. I have worked on it, and trust me, it's a game changer. Now, about setting healthy boundaries. It's something that I'm super passionate about. And it's not about shutting people out, it's about providing yourself and your partner the space to flourish. Let's talk about shared interests and values. I always encourage couples to find those unique quirks that they both get ecstatic about. These are those little things that make your relationship feel like it's one in a million. So, in closing, making someone want you isn't about following a playbook. It's about being authentically, genuinely, and so wonderfully you that you attract the kind of a person that you are. The best relationships are built on the foundation of trust, mutual respect, and genuine affection. And a bit of laughter never hurts. Thank you for joining me today. If you like and found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. And don't forget to grab your free guide. It's my gift to you on your journey of love and happiness. Until next time, keep being the amazing person that you are.